So today's our topic is conditional statements and looping statement and break and continue. Okay. So we will try to cover this chapter number 4. Okay. Conditional statements and the looping statement. So although conditional statement we already done, conditional is how we can put the condition, like the number 1 here. You can see that number is 10. If number is greater than 0, we will say that it's a positive number. Okay. Today I did not prepare properly since. Okay. And else it is a odd number. So this program I think we already done, right? Odd even find it out.
Yeah.
You remember this program?
Yes.
Okay. So these are kind of conditional only. Switch case, this also you guys have done it already. See, just now you have seen, right, that which option you want to perform, whether 2 numbers, 3 numbers. So there you already put the switch, right? So this is the conditional kind of thing only. Looping. This is the quite new for us. Okay. So this we will study it. So there are 3 kind of loop. Okay. I'll just show it to you guys. So this version is free, so it will little disturb you. So 3 kind of looping we have. Okay. Looping is nothing. Looping is like the same work on repetition part. Okay. Let's say I'll say that you print the Anush 3 times. Okay. Write a program to print hello world or anything. Okay. Program to write a print. Okay. Anush 10 times. How will you do that? Anush and Nathan, will you please
We
answer
can,
me?
we can,
Without
we can
loop,
call this.
without
Sorry?
loop or with loop.
Right.
So
We
either you
can
can
call
write
this.
system.out.println 10 times. Okay. Let me show that. Okay, I'm just creating a for loop program. Okay. So see, I'll say you have to print the 10 times Anus. Okay. So what you will do is system.out.println Anush and Ethan. Okay. So this will print just one time, right? Anush and Ethan. If I say 10 times, you'll write like this 10 times. But do you think this is a good practice?
No.
No, right? If you have to write 10 times, then what is the use of this? What is the use of programming? See, so what you will do is here, there is a loop concept of looping here. Loop means repetitive work. Okay. Int I equal 0. Int I equal 0. I less than 10. 10 times, so 10 times less than. Okay. I plus plus. I'll tell that what is the use of this. See, we'll run this program now. Then I'll explain you. See, 10 times it is printed. Now here, if you just have a 20, you can write the 20 or 200, 2000 also it will write. Okay. But let's say if you have to enter 2000 times, how much difficult it was. So this is possible through looping. Here always you have to start the index. Okay. I started with 0. Okay. Index will always start with the 0. Okay. Because I plus plus. You can start with the number also, that doesn't matter, because it's in array it will start with the perfectly 0. Here I put less than, so that is always will count from the 2. 1 less than 2000, so 1999 from 0 we started. So like that is I plus plus. It is like when the I equals to 0, it came first and it checked whether I is less than 2000. Yes, it is. It's printed. When the I was equals, then again it will go here. Control I plus plus. I becomes 1 now. 1 is less than 2000. Yes. Again it printed. Okay. Here you can write the counting also. Okay. Let's say I plus. Okay. It will write the counting also. How many times it is written it. So this is your I number. Okay. You can start with the 1 also. Okay. Here less than equals to this. So like that it will write the number. See here. The numbering part also it is has written it. So when first time it came, it checked 1. 1 is less than 2000. Yes. So it printed the Anos and Ethan 1 time. Again it is increased I plus plus. Then number is now I equals to value is 2. 2 is less than 2000. Yes. The 2 again it is printed the same. So like that it is printing the pattern. Okay. You can use the multiple looping also. Okay. So we will learn that. Okay. So first we are focusing on the for loop part. Let's say now I have to generate star. Okay, like this pattern: star, star, then star, star, and star. Okay, this is repetitive task. You already understood it. I want to print a pattern of this. Okay, that first time I want to print the 1 star. Second, I want to print the 2 star. 3 times 10 star. Or let's say first I'll give you in a small task. Write a program to print the 10 stars. So that you can do, right, very easily.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll say the star pattern. Star pattern. I put the wrong spelling, so you can correct it later. If I'll say that I have to print the 10 stars, okay? So 10 star. Okay, let's print this. So see 10 star it is printed. But I want to print like this: 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, and this total 5 star I want till five row. This is the row number one. This is row number two. This is row number three. This is row number five. Okay. So let's say I want to print the 5 star. Okay. This is star pattern. Hmm? So what you have to do is first you have to come. Okay. Then here one more loop you have to use for I, not I, int j equal 1 colon j less than equal I j plus plus. Okay. That many times you'll print it. I'll explain you what it will do. Okay. See, it is coming first time here. Okay. I is less than, let me give here 5 only. So then it came inside. Okay. J equals to 1, j less than equal 1. So it printed the star one time. Do not give the print ln. Okay. And here we'll give the okay. Yeah, see here. So this is what the printed print pattern we wanted to print out. First star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, and 5 star. This kind of pattern I want. So what I have done is I equals to 1, okay, and 5 row I wanted. We can ask the user. When I'll give assignment to you guys, I'll ask you that you have to print the row till uh, 10 star or 5 star like that. Okay. So here when it came to the let how I'll explain. Let me take this print from the see here. This is the most important and most powerful chapter of today. Okay, this Java one. So I equals to 1. So 5 times it will go. This is for the row actually. And the second row is for printing the star actually. That how many times you want to print it. So when it came for the first time, okay, I was 1. So j is also 1. So it will print j is 1. 1 is less than equals to 1. Yes. So it will print the 1 star only. When then it is increase the j. J is 2 now. So 2 is less than equals to I when I is first. So no. So then it came out of this and it printed the new line. Okay. So first time it printed the star and now here j was again 2 and I was 1. So it is out. Okay. And it printed the new line and it came, cursor came in the new line. Now from here I is 2 now. So I is 2 means that row number 2. Okay. So 2 is less than equals to 5. Yes. Again it came inside. So j is equals to again it will start from the 1. Okay. So 1 is less than equals to 2. Yes. So it will print the star. Okay. Now j plus plus. Now j is 2. So 2 is less than I. Yes. 2 is less than 2. So it will print the one more star. Okay. Now j plus plus. So j plus plus become 3. 3 is less than 2. No. So it came outside of this block and it printed the new line. So cursor is now in the third line. Now from here, it done its job. Again I plus plus. That means 3. The value of I is 3 now. So 3 is less than 5. Yes. Again it came inside this. Now
Ma-
j is 1 So 3 times again it will print the star continuously. Okay. Again, when the 3 is j become an 4 and the value is 3 here. So it came out of this block. Okay. Again increase the value of I. Now it is 4. So 4 times it will print the star. Then so on 5 times. Yeah. Any questions? Anush and Ethan.
Mine is I'm trying it and it's not printing it alongside, it's printing it downwards. Like it has
Yeah.
one star
You can
and then
show me.
oh I see. No, I see it now. I fixed it.
You can print. Show me your screen, Anush.
I fixed it.
You fixed it.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a star pattern. Okay. So this is the one kind of pattern. Now I will give an assignment. Okay.
You said wait, so you said to do all like the 7 tasks you gave us. You said
Yes, yes.
we do them all with like do we just assign a variable or should we print the or
Yeah,
should
with
we add,
variable. Yes, with
like
variable.
should we have the user input or should we
Yes,
just
yes. It will be user input.
okay
Yeah. Okay.
okay
Yeah.
that's fine.
Bye then.
Thank you, bye.